kawai ka bus MTC ka batmu banwan sa Shillong natura kalahap no hakawa Ringdi han Nongchram East Garwils District hakashitang senya nyo ka laipo tarik unay lur hakani ka jingja sangut kibreu kilado yala ka midsim bat bongut kila midsaw bat ya kibala midsaw lapan kitno sa Rongjang PC na ka benda ka jing sumar ki rescue team na Rongjang bat William Nagar Fire and Emergency Service kilayar ki siya kani ka jingja accident banyo plat yemi ya kibala midsaw katkum ka khubor balayolum kidan Ngut kinongsyong kali natura bat khat arngut na William Nagar bat ka khubor ka pentip ru ba kiba hayang hasam jong kini kiba syemlangan kila ban pun sa William Nagar Police Control Room ha number pranyo khandai saw nyo nriu san riu khandai nriu na ka benta kino ki jingtip bat kila jingiram.
I was really saddened actually when I heard early in the morning that the buses coming from Tura to Shillong met with an accident, a tragic accident, and then lots of young students died who has a dream actually about doing something, be something in the future. And then the tragic had happened actually because you see, being in the government, we should take the responsibility. These things might not have happened if some kind of accountability was there from before. This kind of incidences is happening every now and then it's very sad. One time in the same road itself, there was a bus accident. Those who are going for some family function, long time back, and then in the same route itself, I was also, in the government last. I mean, though I was in the opposition, I was raising these particular questions again and again. Why the government should take responsibilities that there is no such checking. For example, the drivers who are taking the, public buses, driving the public buses. The public buses, there are many lives actually. Now, for example, you see, in the flight, all the pilots has to take the breathalyzer first, check whether they are alcoholic or whether they drink or not. But in the state, we don't have such checkings, no accountability at all. I have not seen either in the public buses or in the, MTC also. Not even a single, but lots of drivers are, drinking and driving recklessly. But yet no checking, no fine, no nothing. One of my driver actually here in Secretariat itself, he was so drunk. I was about to meet with an accident. But the public drivers, they are dealing with hundreds of passengers every day. If this kind of measurement can be, some kind of a measurement can be taken against the public drivers, against the transportation, I think it would be good. I am writing one letter. At least some kind of a serious steps should be taken. They should take up actually, because it's our responsibility. The incident that had happened today, it's our responsibility. It's a fault of the government, you can see, because the system was not in place. You see, the system was not in place. Because of our negligence, they have to suffer, and their family have to suffer. And I, send my condolences to all the bereaved family. Actually, I am so sad today. I can't, I don't have a word to express my feelings, how sad their family would be. Not only this time, actually, it is happening. Even few days back also in Purakhasia, a young boy, at the age of 5 years, I mean the class 5, he died. He was, run over by the truck, and another young boy was again run over by the truck, by the exporters, because of some politicians and then some, businessmen. Why innocent people has to be, subjected to this kind of incidences actually, which is very wrong. So government should really take in and then serious note on this one. Any drunk driver should be fined heavily, or they should be disposed of, and then their license should be seized. Not only fined, their license should be seized. You see, and they shouldn't be allowed to drive anymore, because we are dealing with the life of people, okay, which is very bad.